What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be reviewing a game called Zeus Runners. It's on the MetaQuest store. Go download it. Pretty fun game. And yeah, let's get into the video. Here's oh my god, 1 minute. Yeah, Zeus Runners. Here's Forest and that. Yeah.
They're ain't pretty, bro. Why am I
wait so long for this? And then I'll go show you this one. It's pretty good getting out like this one. Look, the finger's even wiggle.
I'm a new player.
Look.
This one.
That's so cool. These cosmetics here. Trial cat. I feel like you should lower the prices on some of these. They're quite expensive. That's fine for that, because that's the straw. Actually, no, these. Nah, that's fine. Bro, so many good.
Here's how to do it. First, you do this.
Wait, that's what we're doing.
I just got
I like the finger wiggle. It's a bit too much. Yeah, there's mod menu here. And
Dang it.
I might get this tomorrow. I might ask. Because there's a VIP room in there. There's more mods in there, but it's nothing good really. What's in it? For old green screen rooms. So you can't even in your videos. Oh, he hasn't even put the hand. Oh, blue screen. Whoa, that's actually pretty cool. Wow. Yo.
Oh my god,
Like that.
this is sick. What?
Which one do I like more? Blue. I like blue. Actually, no, I like the green one. Okay. There's nothing much. There's mountains down there. There's more cosmetics here.
Let's take a dip.
I do like the sword. Pretty cool.
Let's take a shit.
Yeah. There's plunger, pan, and a carrot.
Hello, guys.
Collectibles, but I don't think there's anything down there.
That does not make a ding sound.
I'll go show you Forest now.
Hey.
There's just
do you
a
wanna
user. I
go
think
first?
this is interesting.
They don't
Oh,
make
these
a
are
ding
good.
sound.
Let's go.
God damn it. Does anybody
That's
want to play
weird.
horror?
Okay. I don't like that.
No, thank
Yeah, if you make a YouTuber, what am I saying about if you make a YouTuber? I'm saying if you make a YouTube video,
Big scary, I almost peed
you get this
That's it.
pencil.
I'm getting out of the map.
There's all these here. Silent apes must click casual.
Ow.
You don't know.
Yeah,
Infection
I
and
have
casual.
played
No,
it
no.
before.
Thank you, I'm getting out of
Someone's
the map.
actually flying. You got
I
one in there.
barely know anything.
Here's Forest.
No,
Bro,
I
the game's
played this
lagging
game
every
like
time I
today.
make a video.
just got this game. Yeah, me
And
too.
I'm probably
getting used to it. I got this game.
Let's go check out.
I
I want to show you all the maps and stuff. Horror and realities over there.
Because I saw the horse.
I'll just give you a quick look around there.
So scary.
This is really cool. I like the rainbow
I've
thing.
never been.
It's pretty cool. It's like nice and bright.
I
Yeah,
downloaded
there's
this
that
game.
slides. I'll check out the slides later when I finish the video.
Let me show you.
I'm just interested in user thing. Wait, let me go back in here.
I
You wanna
installed
see
this
that?
game
Just
while
to use
playing Penguin Paradise.
Do I
How?
put that?
Oh, I have Penguin Paradise.
Oh, them water effects are so
I
cool.
love it because of
Whoa,
Fluffy.
that's pretty cool. I love the water effects.
Paradise
So
I
cool.
can get out of the map too.
Alright, let's check out horror.
I swear to God, bro.
If anyone
I'm gonna
asks
make
me
this
if I'm
video
going in the
a bit
horror,
quicker.
Hell no.
I don't know if I should make it long. I don't know if I should like review it and then have a gameplay of me just playing it. But
wait, I
I was gonna
check out the jungle.
use the echoes. I hate the codes. 1-7. Yeah, this is horror. I'm not going to be doing it in today's video. Maybe next video. But yeah, that'll be a part 2 of this. I'll make the part 2 tomorrow. Because I won't be able to get it all tonight. Because then, yeah, be a bit different. It'll be a bit weird. Just making one video. But after like 10 minutes later, you make another one. There's horror. Yeah, that'll be in part 2 of the video.
Now you just like, yeah, you just.
Bro, I can't get over the water effects.
I know what girl
It's so cool.
Alright.
I don't know if it's lagging on
Guys, let's
camera.
go to new baby.
But
horror is too scary.
Here's
I just don't want to go inside it.
Not ask for it tomorrow, it's only £5.
Yeah, like
Okay.
it's the scariest thing you've ever seen.
Okay.
Scarier than
Not
Big
scary.
Scary.
Can you swim? I can't swim. How do I
New
swim?
PvP.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
oh yeah, yes,
Check
I
this out. I can't swim.
Probably a new game
looks so
mode.
goofy.
I want this to be a
I'm
game
gonna
mode.
check out caves.
I want this to be a game mode.
The scariest thing you've ever seen in your whole life.
Is
Is
it
it
more
scarier than Big Scary?
I like how it's like. Can you grab this? Yo, you actually can. That's so
Do
cool.
they have an AK-47?
Caves.
I want an AK.
They don't.
This is cool.
God, I want an
Make one
AK-47 so bad.
Oh, they don't know, son.
The others.
Yeah.
It would have been so good if they made noise. Oh, they're so vibrant.
I do not like
I don't want to check out that right now. This is pretty cool.
This is crazy.
It would have been so much better.
Should we go in?
Where's Donna?
No, I'm not going.
Bro, it looks like the back rooms.
I want to
It looks like the back rooms. It looks like it's the back rooms in at least heaven. Yeah, pretty cool. I like that white colour.
Oh, it's
Yeah, if you shoot me, I'll do. It will help.
So cool.
No, like
I'm
when
gonna
you
go in
respawn, you'll
jungle.
get.
Is it like that guy?
Wait, dude.
I want. No, I want an AK-47 so bad. I've never seen the monster before. They only said that the monster's I want an AK-47 so bad.
But
Yeah, next map. Do PvP up here.
Do you
Pretty
get
cool,
it
I
when
like
you're
it.
moderator? I really hope.
Oh my god.
That would be
well,
amazing.
it is on
Oh,
trusted
drop the
user.
controller. If the video just ends on its own,
If I made a gorilla
Yeah.
tag
How do you get
game, it would
trusted
probably.
user on this episode?
Well,
my VR's
if
not
I
gonna
made
die.
a gorilla tag fan game, it would probably be called like
What is this?
Monkey Runners.
Shoes.
And then if people were like beta testers or moderators, they would have like a shotgun
Cool.
or like an AK-47.
Would
That
the
would be
mod be for sale? Like, would it be like free? Is it free? Can you buy mods for sale?
Why would this guy choose a sniper? Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
and there's gonna
When
be,
when you
like-
come in here,
There'll
just pick a
probably
gun.
be like
Sorry, I was bored. I got carried
25
away.
pages,
Yeah, you
so
pick a
you're gonna
gun,
be,
pick
like,
any gun.
unstoppable.
You
No, but dude,
I want to.
Can I tell you
I'm gonna go
something?
check out jungle. Who wants
Yeah,
to
so
check
when you
out
load in-
jungle with me?
you spawn there.
me.
So when you look out, just look this way. You should see new PvP. Then just come over in and
This
you
look
switch with it. I don't even know why. I don't think I have to explain
This
that.
was a real
Come
map.
down here. You should say on there, join
Oh my
pick a,
What is-
before entering, pick a weapon.
Oh my god, the mushrooms
This is a
are
sniper.
bouncy. Didn't know that, and I'm glad they are.
Yeah, there's a sniper and a pistol on
The
this.
mushrooms
So
are
look at
bouncy, and I'm glad they are. And I'm glad
Well,
this
what?
map
Yo,
exists.
bro, just glitched out.
I'm right here.
Where's he gone?
Almost everybody in this lobby is fucking. What's in the water?
How's he doing so much damage to me? I hope this don't lag on camera.
When you
No, don't get this man. What is this, man? Oh, forget this. I killed him. Yeah, that's PvP. Yeah. I don't think I was doing damage. There's PvP. I might go check out. What else is there?
Joining the code.
Wait,
KK,
don't
and
copy me.
I don't want to know. You know, Fluffy GT. What? Yeah.
Can we go check out
Don't
Jungle?
want to play that game.
Then I think that would be it for this video.
fan of him in the whole world.
No,
That
it's
was
all
how-
these white stuff.
When
Yeah,
you join
it's all good for that.
KKK, how much?
I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it's going to be a...
No, you just get banned for 1 hour.
1 hour? That's
I
it.
hope this don't lag on camera.
it?
Oh, you can bounce.
Bro.
Okay, I'm
This
definitely
Whoa.
not checking out
do
the
you want to
horror
see
mode.
something cool? Bro,
I have one
was
more
the
map
old
to
thing,
check
bro.
out.
You want to see something
One more map.
You know,
this was the very
That's
follow
me.
They had these stuff to join the
Why is it
Discord.
not
Yeah, I
him?
know, but they didn't have
Give it
the
a
right to
toilet.
join the Discord.
Yeah,
Hope this does not lag on camera. Very good.
How do you do that?
This looks bad.
Guys, there's something weird than on the boat.
Just put your head down while jumping in.
It says some places
So
cold
this
and
is
icy.
jungle.
Oh gosh. My god.
See now?
This is jungle.
Yeah.
How do you get in the VIP?
Yeah. Nothing much,
Easy,
but
you have to
cool.
buy it. Okay, I'm not. Follow me.
Woo!
Buy it. I'm not buying it.
She's.
Oh no. You want to play? No.
Yes.
I get it. I get it.
Just ignore the people talking about
Okay,
them.
is it scary?
Me.
I'm not.
Of course it's scary. Why would it have to
What
be?
is
And there's also a trampoline by the leaderboard as well,
I'm new. I just
which
got
is probably
Shouldn't have. There's
found.
two monsters. That just
Oh,
screams
how
at
do I
you.
check how much? How do I check how much?
Oh.
Well, that sounds ass.
Uh,
How do I check how much money I
Let me
have?
jump from up
Can you
here.
teach me?
I'm in shock.
Can
Oh,
you
my
who
God,
wants
that's
to
actually
check out beach with
Whoa,
me?
yo.
No or yes? Can you talk?
So this platform is basically
Caves.
Yeah, I would recommend playing this game.
Caves is
Pretty fun game.
Thank God. What's in the VIP? What's in the VIP?
Yeah, it's a pretty good game. I would recommend playing the horror.
Wait, they have a monkey statue.
Yeah. Here's the leaderboard. It's
Did
like
not
this.
know they have a
So you can
monkey
sit here.
statue.
There's
And I'm
something-
checking out beach. How do I check? Then go to hacks, press hacks,
Yeah, it's up here.
and then keep pressing the arrow button until you find it. Ooh, the
And
water.
then, yeah, this is it for this game. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I just
Please
found it.
like and subscribe.
I check out beach map with me.
I found
it. You have check out beach with me.
On games.
I
By
can't.
the way,
sadly,
when
I'm
you
sorry,
spawn
man.
in, this is there should be a button. Yeah, right here.
You want to play
Join the
Among Us?
server.
Do you want to
Join
check
the
out
server.
beach?
Click the button.
One step back or we will use force.
Let us in.
I'll go with you.
Depends if you make a YouTube.
Can I go with you?
The
Oh
details
my
on how to
God.
get it. Check
I'm
on
new
the
to this
Discord.
game. This
But
looks valid.
it's not there.
Wait, this is so cool.
Just say hashtag pencil.
I want to go on one of the slides.
Anyways, that's it for this game.
Oh,
Hope you enjoyed.
the top
Please
of
like
it
and
is
subscribe.
slippery, but I can
And
still
I'll
go
see you
on
all
it.
in the next
I know,
one.
right?
See ya.
Oh, this